find these three ratios, how it will change. As regular, that is B, that is 90 degree. So the side opposite to 90, that is hypotenuse. Correct, children? Now, which angle this time, which acute angle this time we are considering? Angle C we are considering. So, this angle C is here. The side opposite to angle that acute angle, that will be our perpendicular. Correct? Now, the side which is between, that is angle, acute angle, and that will be the base. Correct? So, like this way it will change. First you have to write like this way. I hope that you understood. Once again I am telling, the angle, the side opposite to the right angle, that is hypotenuse, and two acute angles are there. We have to see which angle we are considering. If we are considering C, then the side opposite to that acute angle will be perpendicular, and the remaining side, that will be base. Okay. Now we have to study sine A. Short form, sine A. What is sine A? I have given one technique. What is the technique? Pandit Har. Pandit Har. P by H. So P by H. Okay, understood? Pandit Har means perpendicular. Divided by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? AB, hypotenuse AC. So it will become AB divided by AC. Okay. Now cos A. Sorry. Sin C it is. Extremely sorry. C, we are considering C. Angle C. So sin C now. That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now cos C. Cos C, what is cos? Technique I have given. Badri Har. So B by H. Base by hypotenuse. B by H. Base by hypotenuse. What is our base? BC. What is our hypotenuse? AC. So BC divided by AC. Now tan Prasad Bhole, है ना? Prasad Bhole, that is tan. Tan C. Prasad means perpendicular. Bhole means base. What is the perpendicular? AB. And what is the base? BC. So AB divided by BC. Okay, understood? That is, you don't find this thing because it will change. The sides will change according to the angle which we are selecting. But the formula remains same. It will not change. So you have to remember sine, that is P by H, that is Pandit Har, P by H. Then cos means B by H, base by hypotenuse, and tan means perpendicular, that is P by B. Okay. Now the three more ratios we have to study. Okay. First I am going to teach you with the angle A, that is as per angle A. So I am drawing the triangle here. This is B, A, B, C. B is the right angle, 90 degree. Okay. Now, as per angle A, considering with angle A. So, this is the right angle. The side opposite to the right angle, that is hypotenuse. The side opposite to the Acute angle which we are considering, that will be perpendicular. And this will be the base. Okay. Now, the fourth ratio 1, 2, 3 we studied. Fourth ratio, that is called cosecant. C-O-S-E-C-A-N-T. Cosecant of angle A. Cosecant of angle A, that is 1 by sine, reverse of sine A. Reverse of sine A it is. That is, what is sine? Formula. Sine is P by H. 1 by P by H. What is P means? Perpendicular. And H means hypotenuse. So it will go. The formula is just opposite to it. Hypotenuse divided by, what is H? That is hypotenuse divided by P. What is P means? Perpendicular. Okay? That is, what is hypotenuse? AC divided by, what is perpendicular? BC. Okay? That is, first let me disrupt this, otherwise you will feel confusion. This is of angle C we have studied. We don't want angle A, we want, isn't it? So, first I am writing sine A. What is sine A? Sine A means, what is sine A? I told you. What is sine A? That is perpendicular divided by hypo. I am writing short form. Perpendicular by hypo. That is equal to, what is perpendicular? BC divided by hypo, AC. BC by AC. Isn't it? So sine, this is cosine. So sine is perpendicular by hypo, but cosine is hypo by perpendicular. So sine, just reverse you have to take, then you will get cosine or cosecant. Okay? Now we have to write next one, secant. S-E-C-A-N-T, fifth ratio. S-E-C-A-N-T, secant of angle A. Now, short form cosecant we will not write, we will write cosec. Cosec A. Cosecant of angle A, short form, abbreviated form, we can write cosec. Now, secant of angle A. Secant of angle A, we can write 1 by cos A. Just reverse. So, I am writing here cos A. Cos A is equal to, what is cos A we studied? Bedri, her. So, B by base divided by hypo. That is AB divided by AC. Isn't it? Here we can write sec of angle A, 1 divided by B by H. That is equal to H hypo divided by base. That is equal to, what is hypo? AC divided by AB. Opposite to, this is AB by S, it will become AC by AB. And the sixth one, sixth ratio, that is cotangent. Cotangent. Okay. This short form sec. S-E-C-A, sec. Cosecant short form sec. Now, cotangent, that is equal to 1 by tan A. Cotangent of angle A means 1 by tan A. So I am writing here tan A. Tan A is equal to, what is that? Prasad Bhole. Prasad, that is perpendicular. Pole, base. What is Prasad here? BC and AB. So here opposite. 1 by tan A. So 1 divided by P by B. That is equal to B by P. Base by perpendicular. That is, what is the base? AB divided by BC. Here BC by AB, here AB by BC. Children, don't confuse. I am writing here all 6 ratios very simple. Sin A. Sin A is equal to P by H. What is P? Perpendicular. H, hypotenuse. Cos A. Cos A is equal to B by H. What is B? Base. What is H? Hypotenuse. Cos A, sin A, cos A, tan A. Tan A is equal to P by H. Sorry, P by B. That is perpendicular divided by base. Now, cosec. Cosec A, opposite to sine. Sine opposite cosine. Okay, cosec. Cosec, that is H by P. Now sec A. Sec means cos ka, reverse. That is H by B. And cot. Short form of cotangent, that is cot A. Cot A is equal to just tan, that is B by P. Okay, this is the short form. You can easily remember. Sin A is equal to P by H. P for perpendicular, H for hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. That is B by H, base by hypotenuse. And tan A is equal to P by B, perpendicular by base. Cosec is equal to hypotenuse, H by P, hypotenuse by perpendicular. That is 1 by sine. This cosec is 1 by sine. Sec is equal to hypotenuse by base. That is 1 by cos. And cot is equal to B by P. That is 1 by tan. So, if you know the first 3 ratios, just you reverse it, you will get the remaining ratios. I hope that you understood these trigonometric ratios very clearly without any confusion. Okay? You clear it properly or study it properly, then only we can do the numericals related with these ratios. Thank you all.